It's no easy job being a manufacturing maintenance manager. There's all that expensive production line machinery that needs to be kept in peak condition. And with an ongoing skill shortage, trained engineers are in short supply, meaning that maintenance managers have to pick up the slack, even on routine tasks like lubrication and calibration. In fact, they're so busy that they spend most of their days running from problem to problem, wondering what urgent issue is coming next, and the impact it will have on procurement and the wider business. That would be bad enough on its own, but when something does go wrong, maintenance managers need spare parts in a hurry. With limited inventory on site and parts that can take days to deliver, the only way to avoid thousands of pounds in downtime is to go off book, paying over the odds for parts that might not even get here on time, resulting in increased pressure on procurement with additional order volume and POs. There has to be a smarter way, doesn't there? With RS, there is. With RS Purchasing Manager, maintenance teams can get the parts they need right when they need them. Parts that are easy to find, procurement compliant, and delivered in a flash. Better still, with RS e-procurement integration, maintenance teams can order those parts through their existing ERP system. And if it's a part used frequently, RS Inventory Solutions can ensure you have the right parts on site where and when you need them, reducing the number of orders going through the buying department. And when it's super urgent, they can drop into an RS local branch and grab what they need or get same-day delivery. With RS Maintenance Solutions, jobs like lubrication and calibration are handled for them. These solutions reduce downtime, enhance maintenance, and give procurement and finance greater spend visibility while minimizing purchase order volume and POs, leaving maintenance pros to get on with what they do best. Find out what RS could do for you.